Good afternoon and welcome to London Waterloo. So, we've done a week on South Western Railway. However, I've had to come into London for some meetings. I've now ditched the work lanyard. That's in here, my bag. And we're going to be seeing what South Western Railway are like during rush hour, well, evening rush hour out of London. God help us. Mind you, I should add that the service has 8 carriages. I'm a little bit... Now, if this morning's train is anything to go by, it should be full. Now, I did not get a peak time train this morning. I was on the first off-peak train at 9, and that was standing room only from Richmond. So, yeah, I don't have high hopes. Mind you, it could be worse. We've got an 8-car 450 this afternoon, and it could be a singular 458. I've had that morning rush hour into London, and that was not fun. Anyway, currently heading down towards the former Eurostar platforms here at London Waterloo, because as you probably know, Eurostar did use London Waterloo from November 1994 to November 2007, when services moved over to St Pancras International, and journey times to Paris and Brussels were reduced thanks to High Speed 1, because it was stupid that this side of the channel, the Eurostar had to use classic lines, whereas in Belgium and France they could go on high-speed lines. So that there, Waterloo International. I think the train's already in. Yep, I can see it's platform 24 for 1650 Reading. Let's go, shall we?
Trainspotting, New Walden, Norton, Kingston,
Okay, so sit her up. Then I'm going to get a seat, which is good, because my train's an hour. Unfortunately, disabled toilets right there. Well, by unfortunately I mean, in fact, the toilet is there, not it's disabled. Yeah. Unfortunately, the sun is right there, isn't it? But anyway, this is the carriage I need for a swift exit. So I can get off the train in about an hour. Yeah, so I guess all that's left to do is sit back, enjoy a beer, yeah, and head out of London basically. You see, I was originally supposed to be on the 1720, but thanks to some running, I was able to get to Waterloo a little early, because normally I was just going to miss the train by about 5 minutes. Luckily, did some running. Got some early tube trains and got here early. So early, I didn't even had time for beer. Yeah. See when we start.
June, beginning of July, to suit you whatever is the best. In this time, I'm sure. Super. You're very kind to me. I will look for your email, and if I do not find anything, I will call you next week when I am back. Okay. Grazie mille. Grazie di voi, veramente molto bene. Ciao, a presto. Buona giornata. Ciao.
cigars for weekend. Nights and one for 1650, Southwestern service from London Waterloo to Reading. The time of February Reading is 18:13. Please ask if you need any help. I'm towards the middle of the train at the moment.
I was just going to say.
Okay, so like I predicted, more people did join it. Clapham Junction, my hand is there for a reason. This is there because, well, yeah. All the people joined at Clapham. There, I'll do. Yeah. Luckily because the border of Waterloo I get to see. The heck? That fox. Like that. Anyway, just approaching, where are we? Barnes. Ah, it's perfect. And there's some 450s off to Hounslow. Well, I don't know Hounslow, but via Richmond. So that's what they're doing, Waterloo to Waterloo. Via Richmond and Hounslow. Yeah. We're now back to the two tricks. 450 from either Kingston, Windsor, or Reading. No idea which one it is. I want to say it's the service from Windsor. Could be wrong. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully it empties out a bit later on. Maybe it stains or something like that. I know that's a popular commuter town. Mind you, the first thing I would do if I lived in Staines is leave, so I don't know why anyone would live in Staines, but you know, I know.
Next station, Richmond. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. The next stop is Richmond.
Change here for Strawberry Hill, Teddington and Kingston. Next station is Staines. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
approaching to Virginia Water now. It's been an announcement which I thought was quite weird because platform 3 Virginia Water is only long enough for front carriages, although you could technically squeeze an 8 car in, but they don't. I mean, the railing line, so platforms 1 and 2 Virginia Water.
Next station is Virginia Water.
Thank you.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Well, that's handy information to know. What was I saying? Oh yeah, platforms 1 and 2 Virginia Water can take a 10 car, because they've been extended to take 10 car 458s and 10 car 707s. On the rare occasion Reading actually gets 707s. And however, for the Chelsea loop, so you know, Chelsea, Elston, Weybridge, etc., it's front 6 carriages on platform 3 and I think front 8 on platform 4. Does seem a bit weird though, but South Western Railway. Hi, I know you watch my videos. Please reinstate the far London end of platform 3 at Virginia Water. I mean, it would mean passengers come up Chertsey but on 450 don't have to worry about the short platform. Of course, the line does have short platforms. Shortest among those
This
is
is Virginia
Longcross.
Water. This train is for Reading. The next station is Longcross.
Thank you. I've also got the 2 Winchers and Early, which are front 8. Well, Longcross is 7 only. Mind you, Longcross can squeeze an 8 car for 455 in, oddly. I'll shut up now.
So they're very good. London is very good for papers. When I went to school.
The next station is Ascot.
Okay, I've got here on time. Well done, South Western Railway. In conclusion, you have improved, but you're not perfect. Come on, 6 701's on in service already. Also, lower fares. I've had to pay 20 quid to go to London and back. Mind you, it's not as big a rip-off as this beer. Partly because I bought it from M&S. Yeah. 4 quid for a beer. And it's like, it's what? 440 mil, and I have to pay 4 quid for it. What? Mind you, if you were to go to the pub at Euston station, 7 quid for a pint. So, could be worse. Right, I'm gonna head home now. Yeah. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all next week. I have no idea what my next trip report is, but if you want to know, just look in the description, because chances are I would have filmed it and edited it and uploaded it already, and it'll just be it'll be set to private, ready to go, awaiting a release next Sunday. So, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.